How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make 5 easy Bambu Studio settings for smoother prints. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is, or the first thing that I'm going to tell you is to enable the variable layer height. Basically, with this one, this is the most effective ways to smooth out curves and slopes without drastically increasing print time. Now, you can just click on your model and then select the variable layer height. And from here, basically, it uses the final layers for curved surfaces, where steps are most visible, and thicker layers for vertical walls, providing a best of both worlds finish. So you could just adjust the layer or the variable layer height, and basically that's for our first one. The next thing that you can do is to enable your ironing. Basically from here, you want to set this to top surfaces. Now, the nozzle makes an extra pass with a very small amount of filament to fill in the gaps and smooth out the top layers. So this is going to be the second. For our third one, it's going to be the order of walls. Basically from here, you want to try different presets. We have the inner or outer, outer inner, or the inner wall, outer wall, and inner wall. Now, with this one, it basically prints the outer wall or the inner wall, ensuring that the most visible part of your print is laid down precisely without being pushed by the inner wall expansion. So you could try using the inner and outer, and if this isn't work, you could try using the inner or outer. From there, on the same setting, you basically want to reduce the speed of the outer wall. Basically what this does is now it lowers speed and it gives the plastic more time to lay down evenly, resulting in much cleaner and more consistent surface. So you could just add it out right here with the outer wall. And the last thing that I recommend is using the tree support slim. So you could just enable the support. In here, you want to select the tree automatic and then select tree slim. Now, with this one, it increases the top Z distance to roughly around 0.28 millimeters to make them pop off easily with minimal scarring. So if you have applied this following properties or settings, you will basically get a smoother 3D prints for Bambu Studio. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.